What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay in tuned. You already know from the title of this video what we doing. Road to 500 subscribers is almost there, so shout out to you guys, really appreciate the follow. But yeah, let's get into it. When life hands you lemons, you throw them shits back. That's what I got for you today. But the state of the M6, I fucking love this car. I love this car more than I love my M4. Even though the M4 is probably nicer, I think I love this driving experience on the M6 way better. Way better. It slides easier, it feels smoother, the whole 9 yards. Fuck all that, let's get into it. I think the HOV lane is 10 o'clock, but it's like 9:53. So in the next fucking couple of minutes, with my fucking luck, I better be okay with no fucking cops. That means I should probably go to speed limit type shit. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, again, that like, that comment, and that subscribe is gonna go a long way. And if you've already been on the channel rocking with your boy, I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Thank you. You're the reason why I do this shit. So go ahead and lock in with the kid. Alright, I'm gonna go over here because I feel like with my luck. Oh, look at that, look at that. Boom. Oh shit, I almost mapped. How did I know? With my fucking luck. See? It's my spidey senses. I'm in fucking traffic now. Great. That shit is fire. The X4M is beast. I would pick an X4M because it has the S58. But as you know, and if you don't know from my last video, if you haven't watched, go check that out. that S58 in the, what is it, the M2, it's a must. It's a must. Whoa, 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 wee, 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 skedaddle. Whoa, I'm not gonna make that one. Wait, now that I have you here and I have your attention, in the comment section below, right? Put what color I should make the M6. Should I do a matching purple and have 2 purple gems? Or should I do orange and go a completely different route on the M6? So I have purple M4, orange M6. Or there's a color that, let me see. This is beast right now. Wait. Should I do this fucking color? I'm showing you YouTube on YouTube. Yes. Come on. All right, ready? Should I do my purple to match, or should I do this? Let me know in the comment section right now. Which color should I pick? This one or my purple already? You're gonna be the determining factor. So let me know. Is it orange, is it purple, or is it that color? Pinkish, purple, whatever. Magenta-y, whatever. Let me know. Is it 10 o'clock yet? Oh, it's 58. 2 minutes, and then I can get over there.